Hey guys, Jenny with Cabbage Patch Rescue. I want to take you along for an unboxing. This is a Cabbage Patch designer line. I've never gotten one in the box before. Okay. I've started opening them in my garage because sometimes there can be unexpected surprises. Okay guys, I have been wanting an Asian girl and boy with corn silk hair. I love the beautiful Asian face mold. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. And I've come across this sweatshirt a couple other times and it's been sun faded. Not hers. This is Darcy Cynthia. I do not get many dolls in the box at all, but she's been impossible to find outside of the box. And she kind of looks like maybe she's been out of the box. Her hair looks kind of wild, but her birth certificate's still attached. Hopefully she's in wonderful condition. I'm a one-of-a-kind kid. I'm a special friend just for you. Look, there's the famous button dress. This girl, that's what my hair looked like when I was a kid. She is beautiful. But she's still attached with her wires. Maybe she's just been jostled around a lot. She's got a serious case of box hair. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. This is a 40-year-old box. I can't really be too mad at that. But I'm not putting her back in the box anyway. Love those big old cheeks. Okay, well, I don't know if she's been out of the box. We're gonna clean her up, add her to the collection. I think I'm gonna put her on a posable body. Hey guys, it's Jenny with Cabbage Patch Rescue. I want to bring you along for what I really think could be my last boxed Cabbage Patch. So this unboxing is kind of special. Posables are my absolute favorite. I put all of mine on posable bodies, but I also love diversity in my patch, and I've had a harder time finding AA kids and Asian kids, and an Asian posable is like grail, like impossible to find. So just wanted to bring you along. I got a notice. I've saved the search on eBay for this girl, and she's an Asian posable, and I believe she's in the gymnastics outfit or maybe ballet, and the top of her box is busted, but I really want to cut up the box for the artwork anyway, so I'm okay with that. I got a great deal on her, and let's see what she looks like. She has the yarn hair, so I just opened one that has the corn silk hair, but I have not had any posable boxes, so this is like GRAIL item. Okay, so the big reveal. Hopefully we don't get any unpleasant surprises. That's only happened to me once, but I'm scarred. Precious she is. She has that 36 head mold. Oh, she has big, thick hair. Like very thick, and it's down, which is, I think, kind of unusual. It's her hand tag. Decima Lorna. I love to sit cross-legged. She is posable. Oh, I have not gotten any with these shoes. Okay, I see one shoe Okay. Maybe just one shoe. It's fine, I have other shoes. She's still attached in here. She's got like porcelain colored skin. I think she's beautiful. Okay, let's look at her box. So my favorite thing about Cabbage Patch, my favorite thing to do with them, I'm not an in-box collector, I'm an out-of-box collector, and I love to pose them for photography, which if you follow me on here or on Facebook, you probably know that. It says, my arms and legs are easy to move. I come with a birth certificate and adoption application that tells you my name. We're soft and cuddly, like all Cabbage Patch kids, so give us lots of hugs every day. It's time to water the flowers. If I get a little dirty taking care of the garden, you can wipe my face and body with a damp cloth. You can wash these things completely, submerge them. I do it all the time. You just have to let them dry about 5 days. I wash them by hand, and I scrub them with a toothbrush and soap. Okay, this is the part I was more interested in. Move my arms and legs to pose me different ways. I can do the fun activities you like to do. Let's call our friends and make a plan. I like to be comfortable when I'm talking on the phone, just like you. They really can pose like this. We can wave our arms and kick our legs with a little help from you. These outfits were just so 80s, and I love it. Like pure childhood bliss. Nobody is trying to make these kids grow up too fast. And the Babyland on the back. Okay, I hope you enjoyed what's probably my last Cabbage Patch unboxing. I feel like my patch is about full and I have perfected it. I hope you're having a great Cabbage Patch journey. Have a nice evening. Bye.
The coffee's cold and the clock is slow. Just another mile of the road I know.